For this cleaning procedure, you will need a clean bucket of 5-gallon minimum capacity, a packet of Sterashine green label sanitizing solution, 2 gallons of warm water, food grade lubricant, a step stool or a ladder, and the appropriate brush kit. Begin the cleaning process by removing the product from the unit. Ensure you have pressed the stop button prior to starting the cleaning process. Before draining the product, remove the mix tube. Dispense the old product into a bucket and discard appropriately. Move forward into the rinsing step. Obtain 2 gallons of clean warm water at a temperature of 90 degrees to 110 degrees Fahrenheit and insert this water into the hopper. Once the barrels have filled up, press the cleaning button on the keypad to turn on the motor. During the rinsing process, make sure to rinse 2 to 3 times or until the water being dispensed is clear. Move forward into the cleaning and sanitizing solution preparation step. Obtain 2 gallons of clean warm water at a temperature of 90 degrees to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 2 ounces of Sterashine or equivalent sanitizer to the water to achieve 100 ppm chlorine strength solution. Always make sure to follow manufacturer specifications. To begin the cleaning step, pour the solution made in the previous step into the hopper. Press the cleaning button on the keypad to turn on the motor and begin the cleaning process. Allow the cleaning solution to run for 5 minutes. While the cleaning solution is running, take the appropriate brush from the brush kit and scrub the hopper walls. Once the 5 minutes is complete, pull the dispense valve to flush out the cleaning solution into a bucket. Discard the solution once all of it has been removed. Press the cleaning button to turn off the motor. First, begin by obtaining another 2 gallons of clean warm water at a temperature of 90 degrees to 110 degrees and add 2 ounces of Sterashine or equivalent sanitizer to achieve 100 ppm chlorine strength solution. We are now ready for the disassembly process. Begin this process by removing the faceplate screws and subsequently the faceplate assembly. Carefully remove the auger from the barrel. Grab a paper towel and carefully reach into the back of the barrel and remove the rear seal from the motor coupler. Place all the removed parts into a clean bucket with the prepped sanitizing solution. Grab the faceplate and begin the disassembly. Remove the upper stem portion by pulling the faceplate lever down and then rotating the upper stem to the right about 60 degrees, and the piece will loosen and can be pulled out. Remove the lower stem portion by pushing the faceplate lever up, and this will pop it out of place. Now move on to the portion of removing the seals. On the inner surface of the faceplate, there is a faceplate seal that can be removed. Insert your finger into the slightly indented portion of the faceplate and pull out the seal. On the lower stem, use your index finger and thumb to squeeze in on the sides against the stem, and use your other thumb to push the seal out of the groove and roll it off of the stem. Soak the seals in the cleaning sanitizing solution prepared. Let the components soak in the sanitizing solution for 5 minutes. Scrub each part with the appropriate brush from the brush kit to clean any and all particles of product from the surfaces. Take the appropriate brush and scrub the rear seal groove and the barrel walls of the unit. Drain and discard the cleaning sanitizing solution. Set components on the side for reassembly. We are now ready for the reassembly process. Let's begin by lubricating the seals. Roll the seals back onto the lower stem and slip them into the grooves. Apply the food-grade lubricant around each of the seals. For the rear seal, apply the food-grade lubricant only to the inside portion of the rear seal. Ensure the seal is flush against the back of the groove by pushing in around the rear seal. Take the lubricated lower stem and push it into the lower part of the faceplate. Ensure that the bar inside of the lower stem is facing towards you and interlock it with the notch that's on the lever knob. Pull down on the lever. This should pull the lower stem up. Grab and insert the upper stem at about a 60-degree angle so the square on the bottom of the upper stem slips into the U-shaped area below the compressed spring. Rotate the upper stem, locking the stem in place on the faceplate. Reassemble the auger by firmly grasping the front of the auger and inserting the center core portion into the slot allotted on the front. Use caution when handling the auger because the scraper blade is very sharp. Ensure the scraper blade is in the correct position with the springs aligning with the slots in the downward compressed position. Insert the auger back into the unit and interlock it with the motor coupler groove in the back. At this point, you should have everything but the faceplate on the unit. Proceed to align the faceplate with the front of the barrel and slide into place on the 4 shafts present. Take the faceplate screws and tighten down on the faceplate to ensure no leaks. Proceed forward by reinserting the faceplate seal into the faceplate seal groove. Prepare another sanitizing solution as described earlier. Pour the solution made in the previous step into the hopper. Press the cleaning button on the keypad to turn on the motor and begin the cleaning process. Let the cleaning solution run for 5 minutes. While the cleaning solution is running, take the appropriate brush from the brush kit and scrub the hopper walls once more. Once you have drained all of the sanitizing solution, reinsert the mix tube into the hopper. Once the 5 minutes is complete, pull the dispense valve to flush out the cleaning solution into a bucket. Discard the solution, and now you are ready to use your unit.